Hey guys, hope you're all well. Right, part 2 of the forge. So, what am I doing? What am I doing today? What am I doing, blow? Drinking tea and just sit here, eh? That'd be nice. Yeah, I'm putting some returns on the sides. Probably a bit of a higher one at the back. Then probably tapering down to a bit more of a shallow one on the front, just to help stop coal rolling out when you're probably shuffling things around in there. And then see what time we got, 'cause it's really early in the morning and I've got loads of other stuff to do today, so I'm going to tackle some of this while it is early. And yeah, I'll be just tacking it together, so I can't do any grinding just yet. Yeah, so after that, after the returns, I'm going to put some legs on it and then we'll figure out what we're going to do to get the tube into it, obviously for the airflow. So let's get on with it. Let's forge ahead. Bad joke. Right, to start with, I'll cut the back piece and then everything can sort of come off this. That'll do. Right, time's moving on a little bit now, so I've cut these out as well. 4 of them, so you'll see what's happening there in a mo. So I'm going to tack them together now. That ain't bad. It'll do, I think. Right, got that all together. So next bit, I've got to cut a hole in one side of this and drop a bit of tube on there. You can probably guess sort of where it's going now. And then we'll get the sides on that I cut earlier. And then it's the legs. I was going to leave it, but yeah, I am tidying it up a bit. I couldn't help it. Right, got to get that welded on. I've got to weld my little mistake up there. That hole is just where I placed my plate to cut out. I forgot there was a hole drilled in the plate, but we'll weld that up. It's no big issue. So yeah, I'll weld that up and then we'll get the sides on and then the legs. Decide what I'm going to do there. And off this, obviously that's going to be the air feed in. I'm going to go and get some flexi pipe, and then I'm going to decide how I'm going to regulate the air, because the fan I've got is absolutely fantastic. On full chat it'd blow the coal out of the fire. But I'm either going to decide if I can regulate it on the electrical side of it or just a gate on the airflow. We had two big forges when we was doing the blacksmithing, and if I remember right, we had gates on them, and then we upgraded to sort of the same as sort of the dimmer switch in your house, but obviously it's not one of them. That'd have a meltdown probably. It was a proper switch. So it's getting warm in here now, so I might look into finding one of them. I'm sure one of the blacksmith suppliers does a proper jobby, so I may look into that. Anyway, before I go down that road, we'll get all the metalwork side done first. Let's get a glove on, weld that mistake up and go for the legs. Right, bye bye hole. Not every hole's a goal. Right, where have I put my mask? Don't say I've already got it on. I know what you lot are like. Where have I put that? Ah, be there then. Right. That'll do. Right, that's got the back just tacked on in place. I'll just get the sides lined up and again just tacked in place for now. There we go. There we go, that'll do. That's welded up. That should last a while. I'll say it's probably not the prettiest of things, but it's there to do a job. It ain't took me that long actually. It hasn't. So next is the feet. I actually only want it about as high as this table here, which I think is about 28 inches. That's more than enough height. Yeah, that will do. Oh, yeah, I'm pleased with that actually, just for a quick job. So yeah, I've got to go and do other things now, so I'll do another little short video very, very soon. How I'm going to do the feet for it. I've got a plan. It shouldn't take too long. It's only a very simple way of going about it, so we'll get that done in the next video. And then I've got to do sort of a plate on that fan, and a piece of tube the same size as this, and then I'll go and get a bit of flexi hose to join them up, and then decide how I'm going to regulate the airflow on it, where I'm going to make some sort of gate. I did have a ball valve somewhere. I can't find it. Absolutely can't find it anywhere. Bear in mind it's probably been knocking around for about 11 years, so it could have actually gone in the bin, scrapped out or whatever, I don't know. I'm thinking I might regulate it with a switch. The forges that I had back in the day were all regulated with the power, and it worked fine, so I may even do that. We'll see. We'll cross that bridge when I get to it. So that'll do. I've got to shoot off and do some other things, and next video we'll do the feet. Anyway, cheers for watching guys, take care.